Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Cam Ward and today I wanted to talk about something which I think is a bit of a game changer in terms of photography and to some extent videography and making films and stuff like that in a digital space. What if I said you could take photos in LA, New York, ancient Egypt, even the Mad Max universe?
Now you can do with games.
Video games. So all you need is a £400 Xbox, any games console, or PlayStation. Yeah,
we're not affiliation.
No, nothing here. So late last year I picked up Assassin's Creed Origins and I was like, oh, there's a photo mode in this game. This is interesting. And this wasn't the first game to have it either. Horizon Zero Dawn had one, GTA 5 has it, and a whole load of other games are getting it now. In these photo modes, you've got control over the time, location, light, weather, and there's some of the key things that you need to pull off a great shot. So before you click off this video thinking this is just a load of rubbish, like you can't really get good shots in games, check out some of these. So these photo modes are becoming more and more robust and they're giving you more and more features to play with. Horizon Zero Dawn updated their game so that you could have depth of field, and you've got that in Assassin's Creed as well. And this isn't necessarily something new. One of the first games I know of to do this was GTA 4, and it had like this whole video creator mode, and that's weirdly how I started to get into filmmaking and making videos, is going into that and just recording clips and making these little short films like machinimas back in the day. These are some really cool examples of those kind of videos as well. Check some of these out.
Reno was spotted fleeing the scene shortly before police arrived. Sergeant Barry Underwood.
Don't they see our way of life's under attack? No, they're too busy trying to forget their 9 to 5. Too self-absorbed to worry about anyone else. Look out the window and see for yourself.
And the same rules to actual photography apply here, you know, composition, finding the right subject matter. So it just reinforces the fact that it's never actually been easier to get into photography or filmmaking. And this is a great way to get into that if you're just at home and you don't have to spend tons of money on gear or equipment or go to locations, or if you've got no friends, except Henry over there. But we made videos for years every week in the cold and the rain and...
I'd like to order a large cheese pizza with a side of garlic bread, yeah.
We're in the middle of an armed robbery with the armed bill after us, and you're ordering a pizza?
You don't need to do that anymore, you can do them in ancient Egypt. Practice makes perfect, and that's what you can do in these modes at home with Doritos. So that pretty much wraps it up. Bonus pro tip is take the photos in the game and then export them and download them on your computer. Edit the photos in Lightroom or Photoshop, and then you can learn to use the professional software at the same time. Same goes if you're making GTA videos, put them into Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas, and then you are doubling up on learning.
Knowledge, power.
Correct. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Cam Ward, and if you've got any questions or seen any cool videos or photos, drop a comment below and I will catch you there. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.